Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join Pictory AI affiliate program in less than 5 minutes. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. I highly recommend you for don't skip any second. If you skip, you don't understand properly. So first of all, I can go to google.com, then search Pictory AI affiliate. Otherwise, this link I will attach in description below. When you click, you are redirected to this website. There is a no arrangement. So first I'm going to here, then I need to create an account here. First of all, Pictory affiliate partner, you need to read every line and every sentence because this is a really and very important. So how to join Pictory AI? Simple way. First I click here for login. So just click here for login. You need to you stay for login, and if you don't have a website, don't worry, this Pictory AI allow without any website. Earning regarding commission of up to 50% free lifetime premium account plus 1000 cash bonus. Just recommending paying customer to us community via industry leading affiliate program. This is a highly next level affiliate program. So first of all, I need to join here. So I highly recommend you for using Google because this is very easy way. Otherwise, you create in, if you are new here, sign up, then first name, last name, email address. Then I recommend you for Google because this is easy. Skip this option. Just go to here, then just click on dashboard. Then become an affiliate. Just click on become an affiliate. Otherwise, there is no option to join here. Just getting started. Okay, when you login are successful, you can see this is my dashboard. So just you need to click on information. Just click on affiliate dashboard. So I already have an account. This is my account. So click this icon referral, then copy your link, then share your audience on YouTube video, websites and any other social media platform. So if you want more video to type up, please comment below. See you next video. Take care. Bye.